We are here late today. Better late than never, I guess.
Take this, all of you, and eat of it. This is my body, which will be given up for you. Do this in memory of me.
Retail. Getting Siah's phone taken care of.
This is
Hold it up, Siah.
this is
You got so many apps.
I know.
Share this video.
I only take
Done? Done?
photos. He
Done?
doesn't.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
He's got,
Boom. Yeah, get out of here.
no, I'll show it.
Yes. Christmas carols for Viola! Yay!
What's that?
Christmas carols for Viola. Woo! I can play Christmas carols as long as it's not too advanced.
I think it's pretty.
Hey, it's that movie
I
you've been
hope
talking
you
about.
like that book.
It's the
That book
book.
is really a good, cool book.
What is that?
Movie of it.
What's that, Siah? What is that, Siah? Share it with the rest of the world.
Yeah.
They
Wish!
got pictures inside too.
Oh, really?
Look at the pictures.
What pictures? Ah,
It was like,
Here, let me throw it at you.
He did.
it's right here.
The first one has something on the back.
Chapter 3. Dear Siah, happy 12th birthday. I hope you enjoyed this book. I did. I have included photos to help you see what Charlie is saying. This is the Blue Bridge Mountains with the sun going down. I don't know what the last one said. Very cool.
So all those pictures are inside that book. I took those pictures when I went to vacation at the Blue Ridge Mountains, so I thought it would be cool to include it.
Blue Ridge,
Parkway.
Blue Parkway, Blue,
Going to Charlotte, maybe?
Blue Ridge Parkway. She can't read your cursive.
Yeah, I forget about that.
I could read cursive.
Blue Ridge Mountains. Some raceway.
Grace Chapel?
Charlotte Speedway.
we're talking about Charlotte's Web.
That's
No.
the Charlotte Speedway too.
Charlotte,
NASCAR.
North Carolina.
Yeah. And it refers to Charlotte, and it refers to NASCAR, and it refers to the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Nasty car.
And it's kind of similar to Lucy.
Wow. Teddy bears.
Well, teddy bears. What are you talking about, teddy bears?
Look. Little teddy bear clip.
And I have to get you some hot glue and some flowers.
We got hot glue.
Those are those
Yeah.
headbands that have been sitting at my house forever. So we're going to craft them, remember? So we still need to get them.
Callie. Inspire every moment of sharing. Yes.
What are these?
They're headbands.
Do they work? Let me try them on. What?
Decorate it.
What's that?
Ooh. This matches my ring. It's my birthstone, right?
There's the money.
What, money? Who mentioned about money?
Money. He now knows
The
money.
love
Oh no.
between grandmother and granddaughter is forever. Okay,
What's your birthstone?
maybe
A name? Emerald?
not mine.
Does it fit? Does it fit?
If it
Is your arm turning green yet?
Yeah.
Bless you. I have had that in my closet for about 6 months. That's all I know. It's like that. This is so Siah.
Yep, this is my favorite color.
Yeah. You just probably wearing her jacket, which is that color, right?
Yeah, my favorite color is everywhere.
That's called salmon.
This is new.
You know that?
No, what?
Salmon baby. Like a salmon baby.
Oh, what's this? Necklace? Necklace. Or bracelet. Something. Earrings! I got Santa Claus hats, candies, and
I told you this is random.
deer.
Those are the best gifts.
Are you coming down with the cold?
Just like
Maybe.
it
What's this?
Oh no.
50 nail details and clear nail polish.
Hello,
Wait.
Stuffy.
Wait, look at it! Nail
but-
stickers!
But that's not what I call Hello Kitty. I call it something else.
And
Starts with an SH.
Hello Kitty cardigan. Ah!
isn't that cute?
Yes.
Yeah, that fits her. I like the size of that.
Oh wow, that's big.
It's a little big, but I figured you could
It's
wear
perfect.
it. That's the perfect one.
It's perfect.
She can wear it until she grows out of Hello Kitty.
Yeah, I will go for that.
It's
And I hope those fit.
leggings.
Those are for just to go around the house.
Oh, they'll be in church
XL.
and
Yeah,
everywhere.
that's gonna fit.
XL for the little kid. And
Yeah.
they're supposed to go. I got them so you could wear them with your Hello Kitty.
Yep. This one.
You might need to go.
And these. Pants. And panty hangers.
Where's our panties? I didn't see the panties. Did you get it?
Huh?
Mm.
These?
No, the panties that we bought today.
I saw them. They're on the table.
Where did it go? So that would match up your Hello Kitty.
And are you going to show the present from us?
No,
We went to
no. Go for Megan first.
No, show the present from us.
I already opened them all. Why does it matter?
What does it matter? Oh.
All right, here's our presents
All right,
from
don't
us
get that,
that we
don't
just
And
so
then-
happened to buy today.
Okay, the sketching thing I need to open.
When the cops are coming, you better hurry, Siah.
I haven't even rested. You can make some coffee. I got some. We went to Fresh Shopper and got some
And
fried chicken. And of
unclip
course, I was gonna
and-
cook stir-fried broccoli,
So it has everything,
rice, and cauliflower.
including professional blenders,
Mm.
Literally put
The kitchen sink.
every pencil that you need,
Hey, you find surprising stuff at that store.
out, and this dog.
paintbrush, and erasers, and
Two packets.
pencil sharpener.
Oh, no.
Hmm.
So, I'm just glad I'm not cooking. Glad it wasn't chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Oh, that's cool, Siah. And where'd you get that?
Retail rubber.
Neat.
I found it.
That's really cool.
And then Siah has a what? A journal?
A journal. It's a really cool journal. Thank you, Uncle Steve. Has like
Mm-hmm.
it has this chain
Mm-hmm.
and a chain. I like these chains. And then I got a blarf.
A blarf.
Fashion sketchbook.
I saw that Siah, right?
Mm-hmm. Aunt saw that one.
It got front and back.
I know.
All right.
And all of the different,
This is the most fascinating video going.
all of the different styles and poses.
Where's your candles?
Siah,
The
we're
candles
ready.
messed it up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Siah. Happy birthday to you.
Nobody likes
Happy
that.
birthday, Siah. You want to blow?
One moment.
Blow your cake.
Blow your
Yes.
cake. Just blow it.
Is she wishing
make her
for
run.
a
Don't sit on
hat?
Luke.
Yeah, that one did not.
She had to make sure there was no end.